Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Norton Antivirus to ensure that your devices stay protected from various online threats. Let's get started. Step 1. Purchase Norton Antivirus. Before you can install Norton Antivirus, you need to purchase a subscription. Visit the official Norton website, choose the plan that best suits your needs, and complete the purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with a product key. Step 2. Download the Norton installer. After your purchase, go to the Norton website. Log into your Norton account using the credentials you created during the purchase. Once logged in, navigate to the Downloads section. Click on the download link for the Norton Antivirus product you purchased. Step 3. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded file on your computer, which is typically found in the Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If prompted by a user account control dialog, click Yes to allow changes to be made. Step 4. Accept the license agreement. Once the installer opens, you will be presented with the license agreement. Read through the terms and conditions, then click the checkbox to accept the agreement. After that, click Next to proceed with the installation. Step 5. Enter your product key. You will now need to enter the product key that was provided to you via email. Type it in the designated field and click Next. This step is crucial to activate your Norton product. Step 6. Select Installation Preferences. You may be prompted to customize installation preferences, such as selecting the features you want Norton to install. Generally, the default settings are recommended for comprehensive protection. Review your choices and click Next. Step 7. Complete the installation. The installation process will now begin. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a prompt inviting you to restart your computer. It is advisable to restart to ensure that Norton Antivirus is fully operational. Step 8. Run initial scan. After your computer restarts, open Norton Antivirus. The program may automatically run an initial scan of your device to check for any potential threats. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete this process. Step 9. Set up automatic updates. To ensure that you always have the latest protection, set up automatic updates within the Norton settings. This will allow Norton to regularly update its virus definitions and software without you needing to manually do it. Step 10. Customize your preferences. Take some time to explore the various options within Norton. You can adjust settings related to firewall protection, privacy controls, and web protection based on your preferences and usage habits. Thank you for following along with our installation guide for Norton Antivirus. Remember, keeping your device secure is crucial in today's digital world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful content.